Hi, welcome again to my channel. Well, today in this video I want to I wanted to create a cinematic video of this location. It's called Coldstone Cat, based in Yorkshire, and obviously I wanted to fly my DJI Mini 3 Pro, but it looks like it's a bit too windy to create cinematic videos using this DJI Mini 3 Pro because it's too light for this kind of wind. But I'm gonna show you the location. So that's pretty much the location. That's what I wanted to record the video, and obviously with this location as well. You can see it's pretty cool. I might give a try, to be honest, see how it goes. But basically that's what I wanted to do, to create a cinematic video using my DJI Mini 3 Pro. You know what, I'll probably give a try, see how it goes. I'll put this one on the side, keep it here. It's really windy. I wasn't expecting to be that wind, otherwise I could take my DJI Air 2S because we're gonna handle better this kind of wind. But I'll give a try with this DJI Mini 3 Pro, see how it goes. If it's too windy, I'll probably give up and not fly away from here. Even my GoPro is moving from there. So that's my little drone. Switching on. That's on. Put here. It's a pretty cool location when it's not windy like that. But today honestly, it's really windy. I don't even know how this DJI Mini 3 Pro we're gonna handle the wind, but let's see. Also guys, do not forget to subscribe my channel, thumbs up as well. Any questions, ask in the comments, and you even can say that my Mini 3 Pro is moving. I had to move here on the side, and just because I don't want to risk too much this drone because of the wind. I'm gonna see how it takes off. So that's it. That's the drone. Let's see how it's gonna handle the wind. It's a bit windy. It's a bit windy for this drone. But looks like it's handling. So finger crossed. So let's take a video of this location. I'll probably go a bit more up. Alright, it's pretty cool, this location. So I'm gonna take one video like that. I'm not gonna go too far away because it's too windy, just in case if the drone falls down. So that's a video of this location. 20 seconds should be alright. And now I got the strong wind warning on my screen. And now that's the place. I'm gonna take now a video of this place. So that's it. I'm gonna move on the left side, slowly moving the drone as well. So that's pretty much. I still got this strong wind warning on my screen. I'm still going ahead. Right, that should do. Now probably go a bit more closer. Let's go a bit more. Make something like that. Something like that. Looks cool. That's it. That's it. What I want to do. So you can see the whole place on the screen for 20 seconds, I think 25 seconds. or half a minute should do the job. Okay, that's enough. I'm surprised because this little John it still handles this strong wind, so I'm really surprised. But I'm not really high, so let's say I'm 30 meters high from takeoff point. So I'm assuming that's why it's still doing good. Now I'm gonna do a video like this. Alright, let's see, it's nothing below me. That's it. Alright, people still coming to this place, even if it's really windy. So I'm gonna kind of fly towards this location and also go high. And probably tilt my camera down. And just 1 second. I think it's time to land this drone. Alright, that's the location. Because it's really windy, I need to control this drone because it's handles because of the wind. Now one more video probably. I'll go something like that. I probably should screen record this video as well, but I don't have an SD card within this LC controller. I still got another warning on my screen because the wind is really strong. Now let's try another video like that. Just moving towards the location. Again, because the wind is so strong, I need to control fully my drone. I don't even know how strong this wind is, but it is strong. I'll probably have to check it. Alright, so that's the location. For now I'm gonna tilt my camera down. And I still got 12 minutes on my battery because the wind is eating the battery like hell. That's it, cool, that's all done. I really wanted to try something, but I don't know how safe it is, so I probably won't risk it. So basically I want to go down and then probably go up and also record this video of this location, but I probably won't do it. Let's see. I still can see my drone up there in the sky. Now, probably it's time to get my drone back. Maybe I'll take some pictures, but I'm gonna edit these videos at home on the stick, put them all together, put like music, nice music. So that's it. I've recorded the videos of this little drone, and now I'm gonna land this drone back down because it's too windy and kind of heavy now. Ooh, the wind. That's it. My drone is down and I've made my videos. Just make sure you watch till the end. So obviously you can view the results. Again, thanks a lot for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up as well, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.